Oui. Vous voulez donc descendre encore? Faites pour le bien fait, non? Je vais chercher mon Morfaw. Et nous allons la manger dans le fou. Donc, on manque de mort à toi, le sang. On fait la guiwane, miel. Il y a le miel. On va casser à bomber.
La tua super è noi.
Maybe I want the sun go. It is a very nice evening, you know. The evening is really good. We are going to do corn roasting to entertain ourselves this evening. Anu, how many corn will you eat?
4.
Hey.
You have to finish all the corn.
Ryan, how many are you going to eat?
3.
Now, me, I'll eat what?
1, 2, 3.
You eat your own.
One of these things, now, they're eating food, they're eating TV.
The way the corn is good there. That farm has given us a very nice produce.
Today's corner and a boy. You know, encourage me.
Story.
Today's story.
Once upon a time, I went to the farm to harvest corn. And I told Destiny that I'll harvest corn. And Destiny was in school. Santiman just touched Destiny that I'm back from the farm. Oh yeah, Destiny ran away from school and came back home. To come and eat roasted.
Oh.
I have forgotten story. A new storytelling.
You never know to talk us. I come to the farm now. As a man of the house, say, hey, I said, I'm going to bring my corn. I'm going to broke corn. I said, daughter, as I'm going to the farm like this, I'm going to go and broke corn. When I come to school, take some man, give to a government. I say, yes, daddy. I go broke the corn now. Come back. But I was touch her in class, so he took permission from the teacher. Excuse me, madam, may I go out? The special said, okay, go. She went. Brian behind the school.
Yeah.
Come to the house. Start to burn corn. The teacher started to ask her, why is Margaret not in class? Ever since that she went out, she said one of her friends, go on for Margaret. She went, she not see Margaret. He asked the other friend, do you know Margaret house? She said, yes, madam. He came and called for Margaret in the house. Margaret, what are you doing in the house? What were you doing in the house? I go for burn corn. Is that the manner to speak to your teacher? What have you got? What do you want us to do? I go for burn corn. Oh, I just pity her.
And look at that.
Madam lock her one sweet gas pipe. What do you go to that to do? Ah, the burn corn. Ah, the burn corn. Ah, the burn corn. The teacher told me that story. Oh, I feel pity on her. Asha.
Ata fula.
I did what it.
Hey! He knows it. Nyok tapi. Kuntempi. What do you mean? Kuntempi.
Anong isang?
Ano ang gasang? Kuntempi. Yep. Yay! Ewan ko mi odu himu mwe. Kuntempi.
Give it a song. Don't give it a song.
This, you know what?
Oh, you do myself.
So, you know, if you take and hold it, then I should show me.
Oh yo.
That.
Yeah, look at me. I just like to
I know, one of you.
Kuntempi.
What is that?
Kuntempi. Kuntempi. Okay, oh. Bien what is that? Bien fiega for alors. Dans son avoir.
There was this,
Yega on the sancte for wa. Yega mbap de for wa. Fiega o. Fiega mo for.
For the wall.
Voilà, fiega for the wa up. Kuntempi. Atabanchi le bo olek.
Manchi the boy.
Okay. Deba. Oh, killer. Give me the answer. Akendong. Yaga.
If we for no. That's all the people.
What is them?
I think that's again. But is that?
Oh, the hemo. I can before that. Leon Bonga.
Live with the shepherd then.
What if you're the same woman? Not that way.
Yeah.
As a wallon key.
Hello.
Oh, we figure for. Look at figure for the war. I can bong get there.
Yes,
Yes, I fear for.
Ready for the bang. For them.
Oh, Achebio. We for Jean Johnson to let you. Yes, I'm in there. Ellen, we for Guinea, but attention, Johnson. I to let you. Found the Gilola, cause young Conzo. I can't fear gear, I can't young Conzo. Bonjour, get at them, being the Mantima. At the quality, a bonza. She got fed. I'm a member of the Azza, a wall key. Yes, I'm here.
Dia lah ko. Sige mo. Mas ba. At nandun eh.
Finish it.
Nó kia dân bao thành ra muốn cái dân được không? Cái đó của mùng phong cái thằng ấy. Wow.
No, that's the fear so long. Mom, let me put one more.
The